This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to fix Stabilitrak on Chevy Tahoe. Only wait. Disconnect the negative battery cable and wait 10 minutes before reconnecting to reset the module. Next, inspect wheel speed sensors, ABS wiring, and connectors for damage or corrosion and replace any faulty parts. Then drive slowly to see if the warning clears and use an OBD2 scanner to verify no codes remain active. Start by scanning for trouble codes with a reliable OBD2 scanner and record any ABS or Stabilitrak fault numbers. Then lift the vehicle safely and inspect each wheel speed sensor and tone ring for debris or physical damage and clean any contamination. Use a multimeter to test sensor resistance and compare to specifications, replacing any sensor that fails the test because a bad sensor is the most common cause of Stabilitrak warnings. If this guide is helping, please subscribe and like so I can make more helpful car repair videos for you. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth can change how you think about money, helping you budget for parts like sensors or tools when fixing a Tahoe. Check the description for the link and other deals, and then now let's get back to the video. After diagnosing, replace any faulty wheel speed sensors or damaged tone rings and seal connectors using dielectric grease to prevent future corrosion. Inspect the ABS module and wiring harness for water intrusion or pinched wires and repair or replace affected sections to restore proper signals. Once repairs are complete, reconnect the battery, clear codes with your OBD2 scanner, and perform a careful test drive to ensure the Stabilitrak warning stays off and systems function normally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.